This video will show you how to use Appleton's percent fill and cement fiber calculator for our Kwiko ceiling cement. To start, open the calculator and click on step 1. You will see the brand selection window with options to select either Appleton or OZ Gedney. Choose which of the two match the brand of ceiling fitting you have, and then click Proceed. A new window will appear where you will enter the trade size, the catalog number of the ceiling fitting, and the quantity of fittings you will be using. In our example, we will be entering 2 different ceiling fittings. To start, enter the trade sizes. Our first example is a 1.5-inch trade size. Next, enter the ceiling fitting catalog number. You can choose the ceiling fitting from the drop-down list or type in the catalog number. If you type it in, make sure to remove special characters such as the hyphen. The quantity of ceiling fittings that are being used should be entered in the quantity box. For this example, we will enter 2. Then, click Add. We will now enter the catalog number of the second ceiling fitting. Its trade size is 1/2 inch. And this time we will type in the number, which is EYSEF50. And then we will enter a quantity of 1 and then click on Add. Now that we are finished entering the catalog numbers, proceed by clicking the End button. This will bring you to the main window of the calculator. Looking under the orange block that says Step 1 in the main window, you will see a table with all the details provided. The 2 columns on the right show the total cement and total fiber in ounces that are required to fill the ceiling fittings that you entered. Please verify the information that you've entered so far. If you want to add another ceiling fitting, please select Add Another in the bottom left-hand corner of the main window. If you want to reset the table and start again, you may click Step 1 at the top left to return to the brand selection window and redo all of the previous steps. If you're satisfied with the information you provided in the table, proceed by clicking the orange Step 2 box on the right. A new window will open that lists the options for the package sizes of ceiling cement and fiber fill. By checking the total cement and total fiber listed in the pink colored boxes at the bottom of the right-hand columns in Step 1, we're going to select the package sizes that we need. We see we need a total of 26 ounces of Kwiko ceiling cement. So we will go to the box that we open to select the catalog numbers, and we're going to select AC1A for 16-ounce package. The 80-ounce would be too much. For the fiber fill, we will go with the F01 for 1 ounces each, since we require a little bit over 2 ounces of fiber. Then click the Update button. The calculator shows you the quantity of cement and fiber that you need to order. Here we click the End button. The results appear in the main window under the orange Step 2 box, showing the quantities of the cement and fiber that you need to order. If you want to redo Step 2, you may click Change at the bottom. If you want to restart the entire calculator from the beginning, click Start Over. You also have an option to save these results as a PDF document. To save a copy for your customer, there is a section below where you can enter your customer's name and location. You may also add additional notes in the same section. After entering this information, you may save the copy as a PDF by clicking on the Save to PDF button and saving it to your computer.